Have you been working as an independent contractor and wondering if it's time to take the next step? Maybe you've been freelancing for a while, getting paid as a 1099 contractor, and things are starting to pick up. You've got more clients, higher income, and a growing business. But with that growth comes more responsibility and more risk. At some point, it's natural to wonder, should I switch from being an independent contractor to forming a single member LLC? The answer is often yes. Transitioning to an LLC or a limited liability company can be a game changer for your business. Provides legal protection for your personal assets, opens up new financial and tax benefits, and gives your business more credibility. Banks, clients, and even the IRS tend to take you more seriously when you've got an official business structure behind you. But here's the thing, switching to an LLC can feel complicated if you've never done it before. The legal paperwork, tax changes, and business licenses, a lot to wrap your head around. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover everything from why forming an LLC is a smart move, to how to file the paperwork, register with the IRS, and update your contracts. Plus, I'll explain how using services like LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent can make the process a whole lot easier and less stressful. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the transition from independent contractor to LLC owner without feeling overwhelmed. So let's get started. Why you should switch from independent contractor to LLC. Let's break it down. 1, protect your personal assets. As an independent contractor, you and your business are legally the same entity. That means if something goes wrong, client sues you, you miss a deadline, or you make a mistake, you're personally responsible. Your personal bank account, house, car, and even your retirement savings could be at risk. When you set up an LLC, you create a separate legal entity. That means that your business takes on the liability, not you. If your LLC is sued or faces financial trouble, your personal assets are protected. The most you can lose is what you've invested into the business. Let's say you do some freelance graphic design work and accidentally use a copyrighted image in a client's project. If the client or copyright holder decides to sue you, your LLC protects your personal assets. Without an LLC, you could be on the hook for the damages personally. That's why personal liability protection is one of the biggest reasons that independent contractors switch to LLCs. It creates a legal wall between your business and your personal life. 2, business credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC instantly makes your business look more legit. Clients are more likely to take you seriously when you have LLC in your business name. Imagine you're a client choosing between 2 freelancers, one in a sole proprietor operating under their own name, and the other is a registered LLC with a business website, an EIN, and a business bank account. Which one are you more likely to trust with your money and your project? Having an LLC signals that you're serious about your business. It shows that you've invested time and money into setting up a professional operation. That credibility makes it easier to land higher paying clients and bigger projects. 3, tax flexibility and benefits. Here's where things get interesting. As an independent contractor, you're taxed as an individual. You report your business income on a Schedule C as part of your personal tax return, and you pay self-employment taxes on everything you earn. When you switch to an LLC, you get more options. By default, a single member LLC is treated as a pass-through entity, which means the profits still flow through to your personal tax return. But you can also elect to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp, which allows you to pay yourself a salary and reduce your self-employment tax burden. Let's say your LLC makes $100,000 in profit. If you're taxed as a sole proprietor, you'd pay your self-employment taxes on the full $100,000. But if you elect S Corp status and you pay yourself a salary of $50,000, you'd only pay self-employment taxes on that salary. The remaining $50,000 would be taxed as ordinary income, which could save you thousands of dollars. Switching to an LLC can also open up new tax deductions for business expenses like home office costs, business travel, health insurance, and retirement contributions. 4, building business credit and getting funding. An LLC also makes it easier to get business loans and credit. When you operate as a sole proprietor, banks and lenders see you as an individual. That makes it hard to qualify for business funding. Once you have an LLC, you can open up a business bank account, apply for business credit cards, and start building a separate credit profile for your business. Over time, that makes it easier to secure loans, lines of credit, and other financial products to help you grow. Step-by-step guide to switching from independent contractor to LLC. All right, so now that you understand why switching to an LLC makes sense, let's go through the exact steps that you need to follow to make the transition. Step 1, choose a business name. Choosing a business name sounds easy, but there are a few legal requirements to keep in mind. The name needs to be unique unique within your state. Most states require that your business name includes LLC or limited liability company at the end. You can check name availability on your state's Secretary of State website. Make sure that the name reflects your brand and what you do. If you've been using your own name as a contractor, you might want to stick with that for consistency. Step 2, designate a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent. This is the person or service responsible for receiving legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. You can act as your own registered agent, but that means your address becomes public record. That's why many business owners prefer to use a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest Registered Agent offers a full year of registered agent service when you set up your LLC with them. They handle all the legal paperwork and make sure that you stay compliant with state regulations. They also provide an extra layer of privacy by using their address instead of yours. If you want to get started with Northwest Registered Agent, click the link down below in the description. Step 3, file the Articles of Organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file Articles of Organization with your state. This is the document that establishes your business as a legal entity. The filing fee ranges from $50 to about $300 depending on your state. You can file it online or by mail through your state's Secretary of State office. But if you want to avoid the hassle, LegalZoom can handle the step for you. They'll prepare and file the paperwork, check for errors, and make sure your LLC is set up correctly. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with LegalZoom. Step 4, get an EIN or an employer identification number. Your EIN is like a social security number for your business. You'll use it to open a business bank account, apply for business credit, and file taxes. You can get an EIN for free through the IRS website. The process is quick and straightforward. You'll usually have your EIN within minutes. Step 5, update contracts and client agreements. If you've been working under contracts as an independent contractor, you'll need to update them with your new LLC name. Make sure any 1099s you receive are issued to your LLC rather than your personal name. Step 6, open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a business bank account. Bring your EIN and Articles of Organization to the bank, and they'll set you up with a business checking account. So if you're ready to make the switch to an LLC, check out the links in the description for LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent. LegalZoom makes the filing process easy, and Northwest Registered Agent will handle the legal side of things so you don't have to worry about missing any deadlines. If you want to get started with setting up your LLC or holding company, you'll find the links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on LLC Deals, we cover everything you need to know about forming, managing, and scaling your LLC or holding company, plus smart tax strategies and business tips to help you grow, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.